Commercial waste collected from across Birmingham is being used to fuel a kiln at a cement works in Warwickshire. The waste, which would normally go to landfill, is instead being turned into climafuel, which is an alternative to coal. Bob Huckenhull reports.
It's a dirty business saving the planet, but that's what's happening at this factory at Nechells in Birmingham. Metals and plastics are removed and recycled. What's left is creating an alternative fuel to coal.
We sort of call it it's a fluffy, feathery material, but it mainly contains sort of small bits of contaminated polythene and cardboard, textiles, that sort of material, and a bit of wood in there as well.
This material has now been shredded, and it's that which is destined to go in the kilns at the cement works over in Rugby.
Temperatures of 1,400 degrees centigrade must be created in the kiln to heat up the chalk and clay used in the process of making cement. Traditionally, Cemex has burned coal to achieve this, but using the so-called climafuel from Birmingham is reducing the company's carbon emissions.
After significant investment, it's very, very effective, and we're now running at a substitution level of 65%, and we're hoping to get to 80% on a trial basis very soon.
This lorry has just pulled in from Birmingham full of the alternative fuel, which is now being emptied out into a hopper behind me.
And maybe soon it won't just be supplied from Birmingham. From the top of the cement works, there's a view of land next to the site where a new climafuel processing plant could soon be built. Subject to planning permission, it'll be up and running by the end of next year. For now, though, there's 100,000 tonnes of industrial waste being delivered to the Birmingham plant every year to create the alternative fuel. Waste that, were it not for this project, would instead be polluting the planet by being sent to landfill sites. Bob Huckenhull, BBC Midlands Today.
Well, that's all from me. Now back to Nick.